Two-step verification, Telegram forgot password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can solve the two-step verification on Telegram if you forgot the password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you open up Telegram. You might think that you have access to your phone number, so you enter the phone number and then you also get the code and then you try to log into your account. But when you log into your account and when you enter the verification code, the next thing it asks you is just simply enter a password, which now you don't remember the password. So what is the password? Well, you might have added an email address. That is why it is asking you for a password to enter. Now if you don't remember your password, here you will find another option called forgot password, which you can choose to tap, and it will tell you that this is the email address that you provided. So we have sent a recovery code to the email address you provided. So what you need to do is make sure you have access to that particular email address, and right here you'll find that recovery code. So just tap the continue option. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Telegram email. Here you can see I've received a verification code here. All I need to do is I just need to go ahead and then basically copy that code and then come back, and then I just need to come back and paste it. Once I've done that, now you can see it will successfully take me to the new page where I can choose a new password without having to remember my old password. So now you can enter a new password and re-enter new password. Tap the arrow icon to reset your password. Bottom line is that it will ask you for a passcode if you add a two-step verification, which is your email address, and you can actually reset it using the code that will be sent to the email address. But you need to make sure you have access to that email address, because if you don't have, then you will not be able to get the code. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.